Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on real analysis. The question is, given fx is equal to cos mod x minus 5 plus sin mod x minus 3 plus mod x plus 10 cube minus mod x plus 4 whole square. Now at which of the following points f is not differentiable? So which of the following points f is not differentiable? Option A, x is equal to 5. Option B, x is equal to 3. Option C, x is equal to minus 10. And option D, x is equal to 0. Now, f is not differentiable at the points where each component in the given sum is not differentiable. Now note that cos of mod A is differentiable for any A, and 2 that x minus mod x minus a to the power n is differentiable for any A if n greater than 1. So, by these results, we can say that this is always continuous and this is always continuous. So we only need to check for continuity at sin of mod x minus 3 and mod x plus 4 whole squared. Now, at x is equal to 3, sin mod x minus 3, the left derivative is limit h tends to 0 f3 minus h minus f3 by minus h, that is equal to sin h minus 0 by minus h, which is equal to minus 1, and the right derivative is limit h tends to 0 f3 plus h minus f3 by h, which is equal to sin h minus 0 by h, which is equal to 1. Thus, sin mod x minus 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 3. So from here we get x is equal to 3. Now, checking at 0. So, at x is equal to 0, checking for mod x plus 4 whole square. So the left derivative, limit h tends to 0, f of minus h minus f0 by minus h is equal to h square plus 16 plus 8h minus 16 by minus h, which is equal to minus 8, and the right derivative, so limit h tends to 0, fh minus f0 by h, which is equal to h square plus 16 plus 8h minus 16 by h is equal to 8. Thus again, this is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. So option D is also correct. Thus option B and D are the correct options.